I am Nali Vidal. I'm from Ayungun. Siguro ang inspiration nga nakahimo kog ah, sa akong kanta is kana na ang there's someone nga ako yung kuan ana nga like kung maghimo kog kanta siya pirmi akong kuan nga gina imagine. Pagkabalo na ko nga apil day ko sa top 10 is happy kay ko nga kuan kay first time gina ko nga maka-apil. Siguro ang pinaka-best nga advice is katong isa ka tawo nga ni una ko nga ipadayon lang gyud ang imong gibuhat kay puhon magbunga raman ang imong mga paningkamot. Siguro dili pa karon kay gasugod pa man. So ana magyud ang tanan sugod is kuan mo jud gikan magid ka sa baba pa yun sa taas. Kaning excited, oo, excited kay gaya sa kung giin kanina is wala karon pa jud ko naka-experience og mga inaani like mag imuhang kanta is imong i-play sa kadaghanan nga tawo like inana na bisan og wala ba sila ginaha or okay lang ba inana pero ako ra gid is experience ra gid akong kuan nga manaa nako.
I saw you walking down the street alone. Think something that you cannot move on. Every step you make, I feel that you made mistake to someone else. You carried all the tears in your eyes, like you're keeping back into those lies. You don't know where to go. You keep it all the pain you brought to you. And when you call me while I'm walking close to you, I was scared, I don't know what to do. You asked me who I am. I told you but you can't understand. I don't know what to say, just wanted you to feel okay this time. Now I'm alone. Think about what happened, I can't move on. I remember how you look me, that turns me on, that turns me on. You never know, I followed you every place you wanna go, every move you make, every step you take. I do this something that makes you say that you can't give up, that you can't give up. I'm lying on my bed, I don't forget the words I heard from you. Yes, I can take myself and I try to set a mess for you, for you. But you just asked me who I am. I told you about it, you can understand. I don't know what to say, it's wanting you to feel okay this time. But you just asked me who I am. not alone. You don't deserve what you have done. You give the love all you want, but in the end, it brought you down. Don't ever back all that time. I'm here to catch you when you fall. Just let it go, just give it all, the best you can. You just ask me who I am. Told you about it, you can understand. I don't know what to say. Just wanted you to feel okay this time. But you just ask me who I am. I told you about it, you can understand. I don't know what to say. Just wanted you to feel okay this time. This time. Just don't ask me who I am. And still you can understand. I'm the one who gotta give you time. I'm the one who gotta give the love, the love that you